Guys, Mr. Bowman here. We're looking at 1.2 algebraic procedures now, and in this video we're focusing on the 2019 exam, all the achieved ones from this. And this exam was a bit weird. You'll see there's significantly less achieved questions. There was 3 achieved questions instead of the normal 6. So let's get into question number 19. And we've been asked, what is the value of x to the power of 4 minus 3x plus 5 when x is equal to 2. So this here is a substitution question. So I'm going to start my working on the right by doing 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x plus 5. And then just a reminder, I'm putting in negative 2 as x. So when I'm substituting in a negative value, you should be really cautious. Make sure you're putting it in some brackets just to help you out. You're less likely to make mistakes that way. So 2 times negative 2 to the power of 4. Hopefully you can see what I mean by putting the negative in brackets. Minus 3 times negative 2 plus 5. So BEDMAS applies from here, and I'm going to start by doing my 2 or negative 2 to the power of 4. And just a reminder, that's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So there's a lot going on. The first lot of 2's come to 4. We've then got 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. We've then got negative 8 times negative 2, which is positive 16. So that's going to become 2 times 16. We've then got negative 3 times negative 2, which is going to be positive 6. So I'm going to change that to plus 6, and then I've got plus 5. I'm then going to do my multiplication. 2 times 16, 32, plus 11, that there comes to 43. Question number 20. We've been given an equation, which is W equals P times Q squared plus R, and we've been asked to give the equation for P in terms of Q, W, and R. So what this part here basically means is for P means it needs to be P equals, and it's going to be something to do with Q, R, and W, and that leftover part. So let's start by jotting down the equation. So W is equal to P Q squared plus R. So the P is over here, which means I need to get rid of the Q squared and I need to get rid of the R. I've got to follow BEDMAS backwards when I decide what to get rid of. So I'm going to get rid of the addition first, which is the R. I'm then going to get rid of the multiplication, which is the P squared. So we're going to start off by going minus R minus R. So W minus R is equal to PQ squared. Just a reminder, I don't need to get rid of the squared separately because that's only attached to the Q, nothing else attached to the P. So we need to get rid of that times P squared by doing divide by P squared. And then I'm going to do it on the other side over here. So these cancel each other out, leaving P by itself, which is equal to W minus R over Q squared. And I'm now on to question number 21. I'll just do my working down the bottom there. But we've been given some clues about a secret number, and we've been told when 20 is divided by my secret number, I'm going to call X the secret number. You could have chosen any letter though. I think the answers that the government released was N, but I've gone with X. Then 7 is added, and that gives a solution of 2. So what that means is 20 is divided by the secret number, so 20 over X. After that, we've got 7 being added, so we're going to go plus 7, and this solution is 2, which means it'll be equal to 2. From here, we've got our equation. We're now just going to use algebra to go ahead and finish off that. So we're going to go minus 7 minus 7. So I've got 20 over x is equal to minus 5. Just a reminder, minus 5 is a bit of a weird number to come up, but we haven't done anything wrong, so we're just going to keep going. I now need to get rid of the x from the denominator, so I'm going to go times x times x. So 20 is equal to negative 5x. And finally, divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. X equals negative 4. And at this stage here, when I did my answers, I thought I did it wrong. I was like, who's got a secret number that's a negative number? That's a weird thing. But that was the answer. We didn't make any math errors on the way. So we've got Marie's secret number as negative 4. And a pretty good secret number, I guess, because no one would have guessed it to be a negative number in the first place.